I'm going to show you how to use and actually redeem this gift card and add it to your Amazon account. As you can see, if you already took off this side, that does nothing. That does absolutely nothing. So what you want to do is you just want to like fold this open, and as you can see, there's actually a gift card inside of this thing. Okay, I can't do it with the camera, but you can see there's a gift card that was inside of this thing right there. So once you have your gift card, you just want to go to the Amazon website and you just want to type in Amazon gift card. Sorry, the bell's ringing. Amazon gift card, like so. When you type this in, you can type in redeem, and as you can see, the option of this will come up, and you basically just want to click on redeem, and you can check your balance to redeem it. Just put the code on the back, scratching it off on the back of this thing, and yeah, you've just redeemed your gift card. You can see your balances right there too. So yeah, pretty easy to do.